Welcome to the project of automatic room illumination control system based on the visitors count and the light intensity. So here we are using the two different sensors, like one sensor is like IR sensors and another is LDR sensor. So based on the person entering and exiting way, we are going to counting the person's counting, and based on the person counting and the light intensity inside the room, we are going to controlling this light. So for example, when the person count is greater than 0 and if the light intensity is very low, then we are going to switch on this light, and if the person count is 0, then we are going to off this light. Means on this light there will be two conditions. Person count should be greater than 0 and the light intensity very less. If the and to off this light, there will be two conditions, like when the person count is 0 or if the light intensity is high, then we are going to switching off this light. And coming to the components explanation, we are going to use 230 to 12 volts AC transformer, which will convert the 230 volts to 12 volts AC. And after that rectification, we are going to provide the DC voltage, and of the capacitor we will get the pure DC, and we are using 7805 regulator, so which can provide the 5 volts constant. So the 5 volts given to the motherboard. So we are using a PIC microcontroller, which can get the input from the sensors and controlling the LED through the transistor. So we are going to switching on the transistor. After triggering the transistor, the light will be on, and for the light supply we are going to provide the direct 12 volts. So from here we are going to provide the 12 volts power supply, and from these wires we are going to triggering the transistor. And this is the LCD display 16:2. So we are going to provide in the connections from B2 to B7, and each IR sensor interface rates B0 and C3. So this is the reset switch and a crystal oscillator of 20 megahertz, and this one is a power LED indication, and a green color is a program LED indication. So let us see the demonstration. Just switch on the way, and the LCD will get the welcome message. So now we are going to make the movements. So now the count will be increased in count. So now the sunlight is sufficient, then the light will be in off condition only. So as you can see that the count is increasing, and the back, okay, out will be increased and in will be decreasing. So now if the count is for example 1 and darkness, then automatically light will be on, and whenever the count is 0, it will be off and on. Okay, right. The count is also there, but the light presence is available, then light will be off. Thank you.